Hi, my little oolalies. So today we're gonna be doing some slime.
This is my sister named Alexis.
Hi. Not with an I, with a Y.
Yeah, of course, if that why we know.
Yeah, keep it classy. So today we're gonna be making a really cool rainbow slime.
And we can't wait to share with you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get to it.
So let's show you the colors.
Yeah.
So you go first.
Okay. So this is blue. This is raspberry.
This is teal.
Okay. This is watermelon.
This is blue.
This is avocado. Wait, what is that? Oh, that's a. That's a. I forgot what this is called, but I just know it's fun.
It's avocado. This is lemon.
This is peach. Peach.
That's peach though.
Pizza.
This is green.
Yeah. This is mango.
And this is rose. Because that's my end of my. That's the end of my name. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna put the slime in. So
which one are
you want to enter your color first?
You could do.
Okay.
Which one are you gonna do? Which one?
I'm gonna start doing blue.
This is the blue one. This is the blue one.
So I'm gonna put 2 drops first. I'm gonna put 2 drops. Drop, boy.
Haha. Oh my god, I'm gonna keep my mouth. Can't believe it.
Oh, the strong sister up in the house. Yes, damn, hallelujah.
Okay, so we're gonna put 2 drops.
There we go.
Oh my god, that was so hard.
Okay, so
Are you gonna mix it?
Yeah, we're gonna
Mix it with our hands.
Yeah. So like,
Ooh, okay. Oh my god, you're so good.
Ooh, okay. I see. Shine bright like a diamond.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I got on my hand.
For real.
Like, wow.
Oh my god. It's getting in my fingers.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so good.
I need gloves.
So ghetto.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Gloves.
god.
I need gloves. When I say need gloves, I need gloves.
Ooh. Guys, this is so sticky. Oh my god.
And so
I never knew this was gonna actually be so sticky.
If I was just regular slime,
For real.
Okay. My
done.
hands are so dirty.
I'm done mixing mine.
Mine did not work so properly.
Take it out on the bowl. We're gonna put it to the side.
Yeah. So let's just put it right here.
Okay. We're gonna get our different slimes.
Yep.
And we're gonna add our other colors. So I'm gonna be adding mango now.
I'm gonna be adding lemon because I love lemons. I like sour stuff. You know me.
Yeah.
I'm a sour girl.
Oh my god.
Call me sister.
It's rough and tough.
Okay. So ready? So 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. So I just need like.
Yeah, we
2
just
and
need
2.
4 drops. So you wanna go first? You can go first.
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna be adding mine now. 1, 2, 3. Now we're finally gonna mix it now. But guys, comment down below if you think we should like try some food or like different snacks or something.
Yeah.
So we could know, so we could like do different types of like adventures, go out, try different food,
Yeah.
do mukbangs, and
You know I don't pay my food.
right. Oh my god.
Ooh.
It's giving burger.
And it's pretty.
Did I tell you guys how I found the spider and it was so small, but I'm scared of spiders? Like, I have a fear of spiders.
Ooh. And she has
The mama's gonna get me.
Like she has a fear of being buried alive.
Yeah, I do that.
I'm scared of bungee jumping.
Oh yeah, I thought she said like jumping on a trampoline. I can. Okay, I think I'm just really rough and tough.
Okay, that's a good color.
I know, it's a really pretty color.
It looks like a sunset.
This is pretty too. It looks like. It looks so pretty.
Looks like a lemon.
Yeah, it looks like a lemon. It looks like a lemon.
Okay, now we're gonna do our next one. So, you should go first, because I did it last time.
So this is a beautiful pink peach, and I'm gonna be surprised. Yeah, it does.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be happy if it's like a really clear peach color. It's gonna be really pretty, guys. So satisfying.
I'm so scared.
Wow. Guys, this slime is feeling really good.
Oh my god, this looks like Bowser's color.
I know. But I prefer to have gloves so it won't like stick all over your hand. But yeah, it's really satisfying. I love it. Ooh, so good.
Okay, so
this pink color is
it's peach. I said it's peach.
It is peach. Peaches are pink. So pretty.
Wait,
peaches.
Is that his peach?
Yeah.
That was pink.
It's so pretty, guys.
Yeah.
It's giving the aesthetic.
This is giving the grass. I have no idea what's green. Oh, frogs. Frogs are green.
Yeah, frogs.
But some are different.
Yeah, some are yellow.
Some are like yellow, blue, dark blue, and orange. Yeah.
So I'm done mixing mine. So I'm just gonna wait for Ava.
The pink one. I need try to like mix it. Okay, we're good.
I'm in love with this slime. Like this slime is just
So should we do the next one now?
Yeah, we should do the next one. Okay.
So, okay, so that's all stick up. Okay.
So I'm also gonna get my piece.
I like the way how it's clear though.
Yes, so pretty clear.
It looks like New York City when it's nighttime.
Okay, so you can pick your color first.
So, I'm gonna choose Rose because that's my middle name because I like roses.
Yes, girl.
Sometimes it makes my nose sneeze. So, what's you gonna pick, Lex?
Oh, I'm gonna be doing. I'll do this one.
Yeah, okay, that's good.
I'm saving the best for finale.
Me too.
Go ahead.
So, oh wait, no, I win.
No, I won last.
Oh yeah.
So you go.
So I just squeeze.
Okay, it's my turn. I think this is avocado. I can't even tell.
That looks like I know.
It looks like a pear.
Yeah, it looks like a pear. But pear's like purple. Ooh, on my hand. Ooh, no, please, no.
Ooh, wee. It's coming in great form, y'all.
It's coming in great form because this is like getting on my hands.
It's giving Maleficent. Oh my god.
This is giving like Wakanda.
Wakanda?
Because remember?
Oh, the colors? Yeah, the colors.
I got all my hands to be from Wakanda.
Wakanda? What? You mean the slime?
Yeah, the slime. I can see my hands getting dirty right now.
But that's all about slime. It's to have fun and mix and get your hands dirty.
Also painting.
Yeah.
It's about getting your face messy and somehow your clothes.
Okay, so I'm done with my slime.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put it right here. Ooh, it's sticking in my hand.
And it's like.
So we have 2 more left.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna rip mine apart.
Gotta get it. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So now, can we fit
My favorite fruit, watermelon. Yeah.
Yeah, watermelon. I just see like a diamond. It's not even food.
Yeah, it's not even a fruit. Okay, did you go first or did I go first last time?
No, I go first.
You go first?
No, you.
Or we could do it together.
Yeah, we can do it together this time.
1, 2. There. It was brutal.
Okay, we can get my hands sticky. So.
Oh, the aesthetic.
No, wine. I don't have to get my hands sticky today.
So slippery. Guys, slime is so slippery, like slipperier than ice.
Oh, I pick a good color.
Yeah, oh, that is cute. That's
Looks like jasmine.
I know. It's giving Elsa into the unknown.
Into the unknown. Oh no! I got Elsa's powers.
So sticky.
Sticky.
But the slime is really satisfying.
Yeah.
You hear that crunch? Oh. It's giving WandaVision.
I gotta put it into my mic so I can hear the sound.
Yeah, the crunchy crunch. It's like a crunchy peanut, guys.
So it's gonna be like.
Oh, it's hurting my shoulders though.
So you can hear it through the mic. So I got Elsa's powers right now.
Okay, so I'm about to put it in the bowl, even though it's like sticky on me.
I'm gonna make my
Ow.
my Elsa castle. Pew 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 pew.
Into the unknown. Let it go. Okay, fine. Wait, hold on, guys.
That looks like blood everywhere.
Oh my god, it's so hard. Wait.
This looks like Jasmine. This looks like Jasmine's Oh, you know this. Remember, octopuses have like blue blood.
It's black. Oh yeah, they do.
So it's kind of like their blood.
I learned this in science. Hold on. I think their blood's like black or something. No,
they're not black.
No, it's their squiddy things.
It's ink. It's the ink.
Oh.
And did you know they?
I get 3s on science still.
So did you know, guys? Octopuses have like soft bodies, and they could fit through tight stuff, and they could camouflage if there's like a prey. And the ink like distracts them, so they could distract the predator that's coming from them. It can also camouflage too. That's cool.
Like if I was a fish and like the octopus is right here, the octopus would be like.
Do you know what they eat, Lexi?
What?
They eat crabs.
Shrimp too, right?
Yeah, shrimp.
And dog. Ooh.
No, my dogs. And and small fish and other octopuses too.
Okay.
Small.
Why did I not learn that in 2nd grade? You done mixing, Ivy?
Yeah.
Okay, so now.
We're gonna mix it.
Oh, you're not done?
Yeah, I finished.
Yeah, we're done.
Just need to put it out.
So we're gonna take it out the bowl.
Ready to mix it? Ready to mix it, Lexi?
Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, so.
Yay!
Oh yeah. Go. Oh my god. getting bigger. Oh my God.
It's getting more bigger.
Oh my God, help me. Oh my God. Oh my God. No.
Got thing.
No, you know what this is giving? This is giving the sunken place.
Okay, ready?
Okay,
ready
yeah.
to mix it?
Oh, we're gonna put your bowl's bigger, so yeah, we'll put it in here. Oh my God.
Ready, go.
Into the unknown.
Put it in there.
Girl, oh my God, my finger. My finger's stuck up in there. Oh my God.
Oh, did you know octopuses have like teeth in their things?
Are you trying to say you're smarter than me?
No.
Because I never knew about this. Because when I was younger, I never knew stuff about this.
Because we're learning about art. We're like this is like this. Just looks like a pie. Look at this.
Ooh, oh my God.
That was so strong. Try it.
Oh my God, it's heavy.
It was heavy. Ooh.
But we're gonna show you guys the slime.
Yeah.
Look at this. You guys
This is
see
so.
this?
That's a masterpiece.
Yes,
So we're gonna put
pretty.
this in here. You're gonna put this in here now.
Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Okay.
So this is so cute. I like this one. So I get
Ooh, okay, ready, set, go. Oh! Wow, it's big bubble. Oh.
That was
This
a
is
quick
so.
one.
Oh, this is so big. Oh my God.
And we can finally now
Yeah.
like mix them together.
Yeah. Okay, ready, set,
Hold
go.
on, I need the minds to like thing it.
Oh, it's about to get big. It's about to get big. Oh.
Okay,
Oh
here's
yeah,
yours,
you
here's
take a
yours.
piece. Yeah. Oh, mine's is bigger than yours. Here, take a piece. Take some more. Yeah, take some more. Yeah.
What have biggers?
Mhm.
Mine's is bigger.
What's that you right? Let me show you how the OG does it, Pinky. Whoa! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my
Get
God.
away
Oh
from
my
me.
God. Okay.
Get your baby away from me. Oh my God.
But yeah, guys. So I would. Hey, be careful. So I would like rate this slime. I would rate this slime.
I'm just putting my hair back.
So the way it's really stretchy. It's really worth it, even though it's really sticky.
It can also bounce.
Yeah.
Did you know slime can also bounce?
And it makes big bubbles. Like, let me show you guys. Move, baby. Oh, okay. Let me show you
It's my
guys
turn, it's my
a big.
turn.
Okay, go ahead. Boop. Okay, excuse me. It's about to get big. Ah. Okay. Whoa.
And wait how it just popped.
Oh my God.
You're just showing the blue somehow.
Yeah, the blue. The
And I'm showing
beautiful
black colors. I mean, how do you do that? I mean, like.
blue ivy. It's gonna get big.
Whoo! No.
Excuse me. It's so big.
So
Yeah.
Try and like squish it. Okay.
And thank you for watching our Ulalis. Bye.
But we can still play with it more.
Yeah. Bye,
If you want to.
guys.